That's right, man. We got the boot camp coming up. Grant Cardone Sales Boot Camp, April 6th through the 8th here in Miami. 3 days with the man, Grant Cardone. Just want to let you know, Grant never does this. Like, you do not have the opportunity anywhere on earth to spend 3 days with Grant in this close proximity. I mean, like, I think there's going to be like 150 people there, max. A lot of people have been asking what we're going to cover at the conference. It's going to cover the sales process, word track scripts, follow-up, internet leads, how to create and fill a pipeline. I mean, like, literally, we're going to build a sales process for you. In fact, this is about half. This is about half of what we're going to cover here. The basics, closing strategies, volume 2. Look how thick that one book is. We could spend a whole day just on closing strategies. The theory of closing, understanding the buyer, the sales process. That's 3 volumes because it's so big. So look, this is going to be a deep dive into sales process. We're literally going to cover everything from beginning to end. And most importantly, we're going to be working right with you. Our team is going to be with you. We're going to be having you participate in workshops and role play. We're going to evaluate your process. We're going to drill it down. We're going to find all the little holes where a customer could possibly drop out. This is going to be a huge thing for your business. We're going to teach you how to blow up your business. We're going to teach you how to create the bulletproof sales process, and you're going to learn it in 3 days, all with Grant Cardone. Go to grantcardonebootcamp.com and get your tickets. grantcardonebootcamp.com. Hope to see you there.